Okay, let's look at opening your very first Word document. There are a few shortcuts to Word on the computer here. I've got one on my desktop. This long bar across the bottom is called a taskbar. I've got another shortcut to Word there. If I go to the Start menu in the corner here and click on that, you can see I've also got Word here. Now that's how I've set up my computer. You may not have all those choices. What you will have though here is an A to Z list of all the software on your computer. If you scroll down to W for Word, there's W, there's my Word icon. That's where I'm going to access it now. Okay, Word opens. I've got a few choices now. We're going to just open a blank document, this first choice, but we have other options should we have wanted to do something different. We could open a single space blank document. We could open a template which will give us a starter for a new document, or we could have opened some documents that we'd used already. Just for now though, we'll click on blank document. Okay, this is Word. This along the top is called your ribbon. It's where you'll find all the tools that you might need to use when you're working. At the top here gives the document name. Now the default when you've started a new document is document 1. If I had more than one document started but unsaved, they'd be document 2, 3, 4, etc. I can just start typing my document. When I've finished, in this case we're not going to save today, we're just going to look at closing a document. Again, I've got a couple of options. This cross in the corner here with the red background, you can see it says close when I'm hovering over it. That will close the whole of Word down completely. Over here I've got my file option. If I click on that, if you look down at the bottom here, it says close, and that's the one I'm going to use for now. Okay, now as I've closed that, you can see the sheet of paper no longer exists. The name of my document no longer exists, it just says Word. All of these tools that were previously available to me are greyed out. They're no longer accessible. This is a good way of closing a document if you then want to go straight away to open a new document, which again I would do through that file menu, and it would take us back to where we first started from. I don't want to open a new document now though. I want to close down Word completely. So this is something I could have done straight away in this case. The option we had previously, click on the cross in the corner, and that takes you back to your desktop.